Hi everyone, in this video we're going to show you how a locksmith is coding a new Kia Sorento key fob. This is relevant for all Kia key fobs and transponder keys. Please like this video and comment below if you have any question. We will respond. Thank you.
Hello everybody, working on a 2014 Kia Sorento push to start ignition. We are programming this new key. Our machine is plugged into the OBD. We have the 6-digit PIN code that we acquired. So once we enter it into the machine, it'll tell us that it's correct, hopefully. And once we click OK, we have to press the top of the remote against the push to start button for it to sync it in. So we got 5 seconds to do it. I'm doing it as you see. Programming succeeded. So I pressed the top of the remote inwards and held it there until the chip is red. And we want to program another one. We do not. And as you can see, the buttons are working. And that's it. Number of keys 1, all the old keys were erased. This is how you program any Kia smart vehicle with a push to start vehicle. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.